Chapter 15. It turns out Mr. Carp, aka Bald Guy, is the assistant principal for 6th grade. I know this because there is a sign on his desk that reads, Mr. Carp, 6th grade assistant principal. What do you have to say for yourself, Mr. He runs his hand over his freckled skin on his scalp. Greenberg. What do you have to say, Mr. Greenberg? I'm really sorry. Mr. Carp nods. I'll bet you are, son. And he picks up the phone. Actually, I'm not that sorry, because I, David Todd Greenberg, biggest fraidy cat ever, was in my first fight, and I think I might have won. I'll never tell Mr. Carp this, but I feel a little proud of myself. Until Dad shows up.